like I've left a few things out, and I just want to take you through on how you would create an ad on Bing Ads after choosing a product on Clickbank, for example. Okay, so basically, I'm gonna choose. I found one already. I found a product that I wanted to go ahead and choose, but basically, I want to take you through the step by step of how I would go about choosing a product to promote on Bing Ads and make commissions out of it. Okay, so I'm gonna choose health and fitness, and let me just turn down the vid. I'm not. Give me a second. All right. So I'm going to choose an item that has a gravity of 50 and above. What that means is that people are actually promoting this and it's making sales. This is huge. A lot of people, there's a competition. There's a lot of competition to this. So I don't know if I would go around 400, but it's not a bad deal. So I'm just going to go ahead and find an item to create an ad of Bing Ads. So look, it's almost summer. It's actually summer, almost summer, and it depends where you're at. There's people losing weight right now before hitting the beach. So I'm thinking that there's going to be a lot of people searching for ways of losing weight. All right, give me a second. I want to find something that's also recurring. The Venus factor. Let me see something. Let's check it out. Remember, I'm just doing this from scratch, so bear with me.
Hello, the following presentation does not apply to men and is only for women that want to lose at least 10 pounds. This presentation shares breakthrough tips proven to...
All right. Why not? Let me just try this out. Yeah, I like the video at the beginning. I'm gonna target this targeted straight to women by the looks of it. I gotta stop saying All right, so I'm gonna promote this. Okay, I'm gonna get my link. This is my link. Okay, I'm gonna go to Bing Ads. I'm gonna have this open. All right, proven to help women lose weight fast. Female fat loss. No, I'm not gonna go through. I'm not gonna go through. Okay, weight loss. So we're gonna start off by starting the campaign name. We're gonna write down the campaign name, which in this case is weight loss. All right, I'm in Athens. That's cool. You put your time zone. If I'm sure you're starting off with minimum budget, so just put down 5. Your daily budget options, put it on accelerated, and don't worry, you're not going to spend the whole in one day. There's a reason for doing that. And then available countries. Let's see if I'm just going to make sure that I can promote this. Let's see. Yeah, didn't want to do that. All right. I'm curious if this is for all countries. I'm just going to go through the fake sale. So there's billing. So there's all countries. So I can add all countries in the my targeting. So all available countries and regions. But I'm not going to exactly do that. I'm going to actually target the top 5 tier countries. So I'm going to choose United States. And I'll explain in a reason. I'll explain in a second reason. Target. I'm gonna target United Kingdom. I'm gonna get Canada. I'm gonna get New Zealand, Australia, and New Zealand. All right. This is because there's more people spending in these countries here. That's why they're called the five top tier. Well, the six the top tier countries. Right. So we're gonna go to create the ad, and I'm gonna let's see. We can get an idea on how I'm gonna promote this. So it's called the Venus Factor, newest, highest converter, yeah, absolute medium, female fat loss offer. We go to sales page again, get some ideas on. Let's see, get started. All right. I'm just trying to get information on what it is exactly. All right. The complete Venus Factor system. I'm going to go to Google. Venus Factor system. I'm sure this means, yeah, buy it. The don't buy it usually is buy it. Let's see. Yeah, she's giving a good review of it. It just, it just catches your attention when you actually use oh, it says, don't get it. Well, she is promoting it, I think. Yeah, get the Venus Plus. So she's promoting it. Anyway, so I'm just gonna get ideas on creating my ad. The diet, best diet, best diet. Let's see. Venus Factor Diet Program. Few weight loss programs created especially for women. Lose weight system. Venus Factor. See something. VenusFactor.com. All right, so we're gonna get the
Hello, the following presentation does.
we're gonna get the display URL, which is basically VenusFactor.com. The destination URL, we're gonna add our Clickbank link that we got from Clickbank. All right, that's what will actually pay me when people click on it. Okay, that's how I'm gonna get my commissions. So I'm gonna research some keywords. So what I would do first is see what kind of find keywords. Wait, actually on the website of my choice. So I'm gonna try VenusFactor.com. What I want to see is just find out what kind of keywords they used on their website. Is it's the same kind of people I'm targeting. And I'm just going to choose exact. Okay, exact. Remember that. Exact. I'm going to add him. Okay, I'm going to leave everything as it is. Okay, I can add some more, but for now I'm just going to leave it as it is. Or I can find actually the competition as well. Like, for example, remember when I found this article? Well, she was top on Google, right? So I'm going to use what she used. I want to see what kind of keyword she's using or he's using in their website. And I see that there's a few here. I'm going to take those. I'm going to use exact and I'm going to add them. Perfect. Okay, so I'm going to save it. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. Right. Now, I'm going to leave this as is. Okay. I'm going to leave everything as is. What else do I need to do? Oh, yeah, we're done. It's that simple. Seriously. Then, but watch this. I'm going to go right to my ad. I'm going to go to details. I'm going to go to edit, change current new bids. First, I'm going to choose this, change current bids, and we're going to set search bid to 0.05. Okay, save. And we're going to do the same. Sorry, select it. Going to do the same. Set content bid 0.05. And what this will do is basically find keywords, and you would pay minimum amount for a lot of impressions. And that's really good because you get a lot of clicks, you got a lot of impressions, and you really pay like really low price for a lot of clicks. Okay, trust me on this. And you can see that happening. I've tried this for something else for the other programs I'm promoting as a test. And watch this. Look at this. I only spent like $5 for 99 clicks. Okay, $10 for 22. It depends, you know. $2 for 93 clicks. All right, and now we're gonna start the weight loss. I'm gonna update this later on with what kind of clicks and maybe commissions that I might have made. Okay, so if I go to my ad right now, you're gonna see that my ad looks like this. Best diet for 2015. Venus Factor is a weight loss system created specifically for men. This is what you're gonna see in some ads on Google and Bing ads. Okay, so if they click on that, it takes them to this. So if they buy, then I get paid from Clickbank. All right. So I hope this was an eye opener for a lot.
The following presentation
and I hope I helped in
in
creating your first Bing ads on Bing. Okay, it's going to bring you a lot of views, a lot of impressions, very cheap. And this is the cheapest that I know how to do on Bing. Okay. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you want more valuable information, please contact me.